So many students have the same problem. Students ask me, I have studied throughout the year, practiced by writing mock-up test at home, everything was good till now. But when I am in the exam hall and the moment when my exams start, I am forgetting everything I studied. I cannot remember simple to simple concepts also. But when I come out from the exam hall, I remember all the answers easily. So can you please tell me, is there any solutions?
Yes, definitely.
In this problem, I want to advise you to solve your internal problem. Everything is happening in your brain because learning, remembering, recollections for exam and forgetting, in between all these things linked to your brain. You need to pay your best effort by 6 techniques to be mentally strong. Number 1. Stop reading for 30 minutes before exam. Study and exam both are the different from each other. In study, your brain is absorbing knowledge in the library of your memory. But when you are writing in exam, your brain recall the memory to fill the answer sheet. So you should take at least 30 minutes gap for mental relaxation before exam. And that time you do 3 to 5 times breathing exercise.
Take a deep breath, hold it for few seconds, then exhale it by open mouth.
This mind-blowing exercise will increase the oxygen level throughout your body. Mentally you will be cool. One more thing I want to advise you that if regular basis you are studying till late night, then last day before exam, don't repeat this. Go to sleep early or normal time. Your physical and mental relaxation both are very important. Number 2. Avoid to become overconscious. Whatever you studied and learned, that is your library of your memory, which is your subconsciousness. But so many students in the exam hall become overconsciousness and started thinking so many things like, if I clear today's exam successfully, everyone will be impressed on me. But if I don't get known questions, then some students get memorized their last exam when they are unable to make impressive results or got failure. So this way students are getting fear. Thus your stress can be reflect negative effect on your subconscious level. Exam hall is not the place of overconsciousness. Only target is here. Stay relaxed from mind and complete your answer sheet. Just focus on your concept. Number 3. Lack of understanding about the concept always make a temporary memory. If you don't understand the concept, then possibilities are here. You can get your memory as fade or as deleted in the exam hall. So clear understanding is very important. In this matter, you can ask your teacher's help or browse to search on internet. Make sure whenever you study something, concentrate and avoid distractions. Number 4. Concentrate on everything, whatever you do throughout the day. Like other people, with education you are doing so many things in life. Eating foods, self-care, family times, hobby. So you should concentrate on each thing at the time you are connected with. Concentration has endless benefits. If you practice concentration throughout the day, then it will develop your focus better. So whenever you are eating your foods, enjoy it happily. When you are getting shower, feel it. Spend some time with hobby or any pleasant things without other thoughts and improve your mental clarity. Try to do meditation practice for about 5 minutes daily in the morning because science already proved that meditation makes better student. Number 5. Build up your confidence. First you study the important chapters. Write down the points in a note, revise the topics and learn well. Then get prepared the rest syllabus. When you will complete your syllabus neatly, you will be with full of confidence. Never allow your confusions or fear to damage your subconscious mind in the exam hall. You have to get rid of your fear. Always remember it. Mind is the most powerful tool in the world, which I already explained in other video. So develop your mind power. Number 6. Stay on the right angle about education. This is an important point which I am honestly want to share with you. Education is not only for pass out in exam. You are not studying just because your parents are insisting you. If you are a girl, you are not getting educated for a wonderful marriage. Basically, education built a human. It always learns you the knowledge about the universe and about you. Education can make successful your life in the world. It always keeps you respectful in between others. So education is an honest opportunity in life.
So that's all for this video. I hope you found it to be helpful. If you have any more questions, please comment below. Please subscribe the channel for more inspiring videos. All the best.